Renewable Energy Expo. 28th to 30th of April 2022, Chennai Trade Center.
Hi, I am Anup. I'm the regional manager for Eastman Auto and Power Limited. And we are battery manufacturers, and we manufacture tubular batteries. And along with tubular batteries, we have got our wide ranges of solar electronics also. These are PWM inverters, solar inverters. We have ranges starting from 1000 VA till 10 kilowatt. We have got solar electronics. Along with that, we have got our solar panels also. And we give it as a combo so that the customer can generate their own electricity from sun. They can use maximum this thing from the solar energy. So we are battery manufacturers. We have all kinds of battery ranging from 100 Ah to 250 Ah. We have both the C10 and the C20 range of batteries too. Thank you.